Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to get the achievement Rude, Crude, and Full of Attitude, which is the achievement where you find and summon the Quasit named Shovel. So to get this achievement, you're going to need to go back to the Blighted Village, and right next to the Waystone is a door. If you haven't explored this is the Alchemist shop. Go ahead and loot everything on the top floor that looks interesting to you. And then behind the little sort of bar area, or the counter area, there is a trapdoor that leads down into the basement. This is where the alchemist had his evil lair slash office. Down inside of here is some more goodies, and then there is a hidden lever behind some boxes in the back corner. Just go ahead and move the boxes, open the lever, and you'll be able to go behind a moving bookshelf into an area filled with caskets. Now, most of these caskets have a zombie or like a skeleton in them, and they'll go and wake up all of their buddies and cause a really big headache for you. But as you enter this room, there's a casket pushed up against the wall immediately to your right that contains only a single scroll of Summon Quasit. This scroll allows you to summon Shovel. Now, if you don't really care to have a minion, you can use the one-time summon scroll to summon him, talk to him, and then get the achievement. If you would like, you can add him to your repertoire of wizard spells by giving the scroll to Gale or any other wizard in your party. Right-click to learn the spell with 100 gold, and you'll have him permanently as a companion. He's sassy, he's sarcastic, and he's kind of funny. And then in his little repertoire of abilities, you also have the ability to stealth and to scare or frighten characters to kind of do a little bit of CC and then do a bunch of damage to them. He's actually kind of a fun, useful character if you want to have a minion. So that's how you get that achievement. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.